Hi friends, it's Maya. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about, not being able to put in the effort into gardening this year due to the lack of motivation. At the beginning of the garden season, my friends, I was so excited to get started. Um, I had, stuff in place. I had the soil already prepared, and I had bought a few plants and vegetables and fruits, I guess. And then all of a sudden, the motivation was gone. The excitement got dim, and I just felt a sense of blah, attending the garden. So I just planted a few things and then sort of left things just on their own. I didn't even attend to it much. The little that I planted, I did not attend to it much. I was kind of doing my own thing. So this is what you get, this overgrown um, wild flower, I guess, plot that I had. And the very little, as I said, I planted, I just kind of left them to their own demise, I guess. I guess I realized also that I did not attend to the garden because I think I started kind of
Ooh, look
slowing
at
down a
somebody was in
bit,
my garden.
like losing motivation and making the videos. So the gardening, I wanted to make videos about the gardening because I had no motivation. I did not end up planting as much as I should have. And so, I just acknowledge that feeling that I'm not up to making videos. Um, the lack of motivation to make videos. I know that one of my subscribers, Roots Girl Chin, had mentioned in one of her videos that she's just not feeling like making videos. She wasn't motivated, and I realized, okay, that's how I'm feeling. So I've acknowledged that, the motivation and the drive wasn't there, and I don't think it's necessarily that I didn't feel like planting the garden. It's just that planting the garden was going to be a part of me making the videos, right? So
Yeah.
gardening, like any other passion, has its ups and downs. So I had to do a little bit of reflecting why I started my YouTube video, why I, wanted to garden in the first place, and all of that came, you know, up front or up forward. So yeah, just a lack of motivation to do things. I guess things that I love seems to be on the back burner. But the little bit that I planted, I end up reaping and was happy about it. I was able to use it in a meal that I was preparing for that day. Even though I wasn't motivated to make videos, my friends, I realized that not everything that I need to videotape, so I should have continued with my gardening, and plant the fruits and vegetables that I was setting out to plant. Because gardening is not only about planting seeds, it's about nurturing life and reaping a host of rewards from gardening, right? Gardening has been proven to, reduce stress and promote relaxation, and just the idea of being out in nature, helps to calm the mind. And recently, I've been so stressed at work, and I realized that if I'd, continue on to gardening, then, what I mean, I would have gotten the benefits from just having a calm mind and being out in nature and just nurturing my plants and my vegetables. I was invited over to my neighbor's garden and, see how so excited my neighbor got about, showing me the fruits and vegetables that he's growing in his backyard. And I got excited for them because they, I mean, plants awesome. The garden always looks so awesome every year. Um, the the neighbor's husband just outdoes himself, right? Because this year he planted Jamaican chocho, he planted Jamaican pumpkin. So I am just excited about that and can't wait because at the end of the gardening season, usually I'm offered a lot of fruits and vegetables from them. Like I went over there for some callaloo because they invited me over for some of their callaloo, and I'm telling you, you should see the stock on these callaloo. His thyme was sprung up. He had just wonderful, wonderful stuff growing in his garden, and I got excited and thought, wow, just the benefits of gardening, my friends. And I didn't get to do as much this year. So, I'm not going to kill myself, but I realized that, you know, just a lack of motivation and stuff can have you kind of So losing out, there's I nothing guess, quite like and tasting the your gardening season own is now coming to homegrown an end, right? fruits and vegetables, my friends. Whether you're planting it in a small container or a sprawling big backyard, just the idea of being out there in nature and planting and growing your own fruits and vegetables, have so much benefits, right? And gardening help to teach us some valuable life lessons about patience and persistence. Just planting that tiny seeds and just watching it thrive and grow into these wonderful, delicious fruits and vegetable that your hands help to grow. It's just such a wonderful, wonderful feeling. Even though it's mid August, my friends, it's not too late to get your hands dirty and get into that gardening. So I think I'm going to try my best to get out of this rut of not being motivated and, plant some stuff that can grow in the fall and just kind of, connect with nature that way. I'll tell you guys, I'm gonna hopefully, you know, kind of share a little bit more with you guys about what I'm doing, about gardening, about how I'm feeling regarding, lack of motivation and stuff. And hopefully we can connect. Thank you for watching, my friends. Let's go ahead and say it. This is my time and I deserve something better. Thank you so much for watching.